स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम चैप्टर 16 प्लेइंग विथ नंबर्स उसमें और आगे एग्जाम्पल आगे बढ़ेंगे। उसमें एग्जाम्पल था चेक what the result would have been if Sundaram had chosen the numbers shown below. First example is 417. The Sundaram choose the number is equal to 417. By interchanging the digits, we get two numbers which are 741 and 147. Now, sum of these three numbers is equal to 417 plus 741 plus 174 is equal to 1332. Now, dividing the sum by 37, 1332 divided by 37 is equal to 36. So, remainder is equal to 0. Now, second number is 632. Let Sundaram choose the number is equal to 632. By interchanging digits, we get two numbers which are 263 and 326. So, sum of these three numbers is equal to 632 plus 263 plus 326. Sum of these three numbers is equal to 1221. Now dividing the sum by 37, 1221 divided by 37 is equal to 33. So remainder is equal to 0. Now third number is 117. Let Sundaram choose the number is equal to 117. By interchanging digits, we get two numbers which are 711 and 171. So, sum of these three numbers is equal to 117 plus 171 plus 711 is equal to 999. Now, dividing the sum by 37, 999 divided by 37 is equal to 27 and remainder is equal to 0. Now, fourth example, 937. Let Sundaram choose the number 937. By interchanging digits, we get two numbers which are 379 and 973. So, sum of these three numbers is equal to 937 plus 379 plus 793 is equal to 2109. Now, dividing the sum by 37, 2109 divided by 37 is equal to 57. So, remainder is equal to 0. Here, remainder is equal to 0. Note that sum of three-digit number and numbers formed by interchanging their digit is divisible by 37, leaving no remainder. 37 से डिवाइड हो जाता है और रिमाइंडर होता नहीं है, रिमाइंडर 0 मिलता है। नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 16.1। एग्जाम्पल है, फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ द लेटर्स इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंड गिव रीजन्स फॉर द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व। यहाँ पर कुछ एग्जाम्पल दिए हैं, उसमें लेटर्स है, वो लेटर्स में लेटर्स की जगह पर कौन सा नंबर आएगा वो डिवाइड फाइंड आउट करना है, उसका वैल्यू, और रीजन देना है कि ये क्यों आया। नाउ फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 3a plus 25 is equal to b2. Here we have two letters a and b. We have two letters a and b whose values are to be found. a और b उसकी वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है। By observing one's column, we have a plus 5 and we get 2 from this. हमारे पास a plus 5 है और हमें आंसर 2 मिलता है। That is a number whose one's digit is 2. जो नंबर की 1 digit 2 है। For this a has to be 7. For this a has to be 7 because a plus 5 is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. A plus 5 is equal to 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So now for the sum in tens column, we have 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to b. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. So, is equal to b. Thus, 37 plus 25 is equal to 62. Thus, in place of a, 7 and in place of b is equal to 6. Now second example, 4a plus 98 is equal to CB3. Here we have three letters A, B and C whose values are to be find out. So by observing the ones column देखेंगे, we have a plus 8. हमारे पास a plus 8 है, यानी a के बाद 3 कभी आता है वो देखना है। By observing the ones column, we have a plus 8 and we get 3 from this. That is a number whose ones digit is 3. For this, a has to be 5. So a plus 8 is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now, for the same in tens column, we have 1 plus 4 1 plus 4 plus a plus 8 is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now for the sum in tens column, we have 1 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to CB. So CB is equal to 14. Here B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1. So 45 plus 98 is equal to 143. Thus A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1. Now third example, 1A multiplied by A is equal to 9A. Here we have A whose value is to be found. Since products of one's digit A multiplied by A is equal to A, so it must be 1, 5 or 6 when A is equal to 1. 1 1 ja 1, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36. One's digit is same as A. So when A is equal to 1, then 11 multiplied by 1 equal to 11. But the product is 9A. So A is equal to 1 is not possible. When A is equal to 5, then 15 multiplied by 5 is equal to 75. But the product is 9A. So A is equal to 5 is not possible. Now when A is equal to 6, then 16 multiplied by 6 is equal to 96. Thus A is equal to 6. Thus A is equal to 6. Now fourth example, AB plus 37 is equal to 6A. Here we have two letters A and B. Here we have two letters A and B whose values are to be found. जिसकी वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. So by observing the ones columns, सबसे पहले ones column ऑब्जर्व करेंगे. We have B plus 7 and we get A from this. B plus 7 and we get A from this. That is a number whose ones digit is A. A number whose ones digit is A. Now for the sum in tens column, we have A plus 3 is equal to 6. We have A plus 3 and we get 6 from this. Therefore, the value of A must be 2. Therefore, the value of A must be 2. Keeping in mind that carryover is to be considered. Carryover is to be considered. Now, if A is equal to 2, then 2B plus 37 is equal to 62. 2B plus 7 is equal to 62. Then B plus 7 gives 2. B plus 7 gives 2. So B must be 5. B must be 5. And sum in tens column is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. So it is correct. Now 25 plus 37 is equal to 62. Thus A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. Next example, AB multiplied by 3 is equal to CAO. CAO. Here we have three letters A, B and C whose values are to be found. Unit digit of 3 multiplied by B is B. So B must be either 0 or 5. 0 multiplied by 3 is equal to 0. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. So B must be either 0 or 5. When B is equal to 0, then O0 multiplied by 3 is equal to CAO. When B is equal to 5, then A5 multiplied by 3 is equal to CA5. Now, unit digit of 3 multiplied by A is A. So, A must be either 0 or 5. But A cannot be 0 because if A is equal to 0, then AB becomes one digit number. So, A must be 5 and multiplication is either 55 multiplied by 3 or 50 multiplied by 3. 55 multiplied by 3 is equal to 165. Here A is equal to 6. So this is not possible. So 50 multiplied by 3 is equal to 150. 50 multiplied by 3 is equal to 150. A is 5, B is 0 and C is 1. Now next example, AB multiplied by 5 is equal to CAB. Here we have three letters. Here we have three letters A, B and C whose values are to be find out. Unit digit B multiplied by 5 is equal to B. So B must be either 0 or 5. Either 0 or 5. When B is equal to 0, then AO multiplied by 5 is equal to CAO. When B is equal to 5, then A5 multiplied by 5 is equal to CA5. Now, tens digit of 5 multiplied by A is equal to A. So, A must be either 0 or 5. There are three letters as a product. So, A is not equal to 0, but A is equal to 5. So, multiplication is either 50 multiplied by 5 or 55 multiplied by 5. So, 50 multiplied by 5 is equal to 250 and 55 multiplied by 5 is equal to 275. So, 55 multiplied by 5 is not correct. So, 50 multiplied by 5 is equal to 250. So, 50 multiplied by 5 is equal to 250. Thus, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 2. Seventh, AB multiplied by 6 is equal to B multiplied by B multiplied by B. Here we have two letters A and B whose values are to be find out. Units digit b multiplied by 6 is equal to b. So b must be 2, 4, 6 or 8. So possible values of product b, b, b are 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6 or 8, 8, 8. If we divide these numbers by 6, then quotient should be A2, A4, A6 or A8. Now 2, 2, 2 divided by 6 is equal to 37 and remainder is 0. But the quotient is not as A2. So B is equal to 2 is not possible. So 446 divided by 6 is equal to 74. Remainder 0. So the quotient is A4. So 74 multiplied by 6 is equal to 444. Thus A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 4. Now 8 example A1 plus 1B is equal to BO. आपको होमवर्क में करना है. A1 plus 1B divided by BO. वो आपको होमवर्क में करना है. ओके.